welcome back to my channel The Beauty P. So in today's video we are gonna do a makeup tutorial using those brushes. So if you are new to my channel, please go and watch my previous video in which I have reviewed about those brushes which I will be using in this video, and please hit the subscribe button below and give a thumbs up to my video if you like them, and do comment and share. So let's get started. This cream so that it keep your skin moisturized and so that the makeup set equally in your face. After applying the cream, we will apply foundation. Your cream acts like a primer also. As you can see, we applied a foundation. So after foundation, we are gonna contour our face, contouring brush. So I ordered this palette from Miss Claire. I will be reviewing about it in the next video because I haven't used it. So this is the Miss Claire highlight and contour palette, which have 4 shades and 4 contour shades. So for contouring, I'm just gonna apply our blusher. We are gonna do some eye makeup. this is my final look. Like my video, and if you like my video, give a thumbs up to my video, and to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. And you can always share and comment about what video I should do next. So bye guys, I'll see you very soon.